Okay, we are learning estimation. Estimation is guessing, but educated guess. It has to be better than a person who does not measure things. Now, why do we need to estimate things? Because if we have an estimate helps us to select a suitable instrument. For example, if we have to measure length of a table, and I ask you, what instrument should we use? You will never recommend a vernier caliper. You know why? Because you know in your head, you already know that the table, it is a big thing. It cannot fit inside a vernier caliper. So the estimate is automatically there. We have to give it uh, more perspective, and we have to refine it. Okay, you already very good with estimation, but we have to give them numbers. Now, uh, estimating lengths. Let's estimate different lengths. Height of an adult man. Width of a lane on highway. Distance of sun from earth. Hmm, then diameter of of eyeball of a human. Mm, so these are just for example on the top of my head. If I ask you to guess height of a person, what will be your guess in centimeters?
180.
Okay, I'm just collecting answers. I won't tell whether it is right or wrong. Let's keep going. Anybody else? Soban?
So 5 to 5.5 feet.
No, no, I need that in centimeters. Remember, one 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters. Convert it and tell me in centimeters. Every feet has 12 inches. So if you say 5, you're actually saying 65 inches. Okay, who's left? Mayim, did you make a guess for height of a person?
5 feet.
No. I don't need it in feet. I need it in centimeters.
150.
1,
150.
150. Are you saying 150 centimeter?
Yes.
Good. And Naba said 180 centimeter. And Soban will figure out that he was around 130, 162, 160 centimeter. And if you go to the marking scheme and this question is there, you will find out that examiner likes any answer between 150 to 200 centimeters. Any answer between these two values is acceptable, 150 to 200 centimeters. Okay. Now, you must have traveled on a road. How wide do you think a lane is? A lane means, for example, if this is a road, you might find lines like this on the road. This gap is called a lane. This gap is called a lane. It is not line, it is lane. So how wide is a lane on a highway? Let's see who can guess that. Again, in centimeters.
Around 300?
Okay, Mariam.
I'm not sure, sir.
And Subhan. Subhan, what do you think? What is the width of a lane? And remember, when you are solving this question, you never give your answer as a range. You always give your answer as one simple number. Okay, I am giving you a range. You have to say 300 or 280 or 275, 325 centimeters, but you cannot say 250 to 350 centimeters. You cannot give two numbers. Okay, who can figure out distance of sun from earth? I can give you some data. Speed of light is 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. And light takes 8 minutes and 10 seconds to reach Earth. So who can figure out how far is sun from Earth? How far is sun from Earth? So, anybody?
Alright, sir.
Sir, I'm getting a very big answer.
Yes, you are supposed to get a very big answer.
I also got a big answer. It's 1.47 into 10 to the power of 11.
1.47 into 10 to the power 11
Yes.
meters.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you're estimating, you do not give an answer. Like, you might not know these values over there. Okay, so the estimate answer will be 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meters. That will be approximate distance of sun from earth. Diameter of eyeball of a human. What is the diameter of eyeball of a human?
So we have to give in centimeters the answer.
Sorry?
Do we have to give the answer in centimeters? If in
Yes.
centimeters, I think 2 centimeters.
I didn't say eye. I say eyeball.
Oh, okay.
Listen, if you see your thumbnail, if this is your thumb, and I'm talking about your thumbnail, which is like this. This is the nail. The width of the nail is approximately 1 centimeter. This is how big 1 centimeter is approximately.
1.5.
So how big is an eyeball? If you ever wore lenses, if you put lens on your finger, the diameter of lens and your finger is approximately same. So I would go with 1 centimeter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we estimate different lengths. Now, estimating masses. Okay, can you give me an example of something that weighs exactly half kg? I want to see your hand-on experience of half of a kg. Can you give me one example of something that is approximately half kg every time?
Can you repeat your question?
My question is that, can you give me an example of something that is exactly half kg? Did you ever take a water bottle that has half-liter water?
Yes, sir.
500 ml water bottle, very common bottle that we buy. Now remember, 1 ml of water is 1 gram. So 500 ml is 500 grams. So this bottle is a guess of half of kg. So now, mass of your mobile phone. Mass of a tablet. I'm talking about medicine. Okay, not that iPod thing. Mass of tablet. Mass of an adult man. Mass of a family car. Mass of earth. Mass of electron. So let's see if you can guess mass of a mobile phone. Just 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Now, let's guess your mass of your mobile phone. Now, I have given you an example that you can use to compare the mass of. Now, mass of 500 ml water bottle. Do you think your mobile phone is heavier than that or lighter than that? Do you think your
Lighter.
mobile phone lighter? Like, do you think if you had two mobile phones, that would be heavier than the bottle?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Okay, Soban, good. Mariam, what do you think? Two mobile phones,
Heavier.
heavier. So you are thinking that your mobile phone is around 250 or 300 gram.
200 grams.
Now, if it is 200 gram, then water bottle should be heavier than two mobile phones. But 300 gram is not a bad guess for a mobile phone. Mass of a tablet, 1 gram. Sorry, Subhan?
0.5 grams.
Okay, 0.5 to 1.5 or 2 gram. Like, 2 gram would be very heavy. Normally, I have seen 1 gram tablets. The large tablets are around 1 gram. Mass of an adult man,
50 grams per kg.
70 kg.
okay. Uh, Internet connection problem. Hope you people can hear me.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, we can hear you.
Thank you very much for letting me know that. Now, what would be the mass of an adult man? Any guesses?
Around 7,000 grams.
I'm not talking about newborn man.
Oh,
70 kg.
Yes. So because we are estimating, if somebody says 80 kg, it is okay. 90 kg is okay. 100 kg is okay. Okay?
Sir, so we would not convert the 70 into grams here?
So if we do that, then it should be 70,000, not 7,000.
Yes, sir.
Every kilogram has 1,000 grams. Okay? So let's guess what would be the mass of a family car. What would be the mass of a family car? I'm talking about a big, large
So
car.
800 kg.
800 kg. Even a mini would be heavier than that.
Thousand kg.
So any other guesses?
2000?
1,000 kg.
1,000 is a good number and 2,000 is a better number.
Okay.
1,000 kg or 2,000 kgs. Okay. These are the good guesses. Mass of Earth. I think that is not something that you can estimate. Let's remove it. What would be the mass of an apple?
Around 150 grams?
Naba?
So 110 grams.
110 gram. Naba, what do you think?
150 grams.
150 gram. Mariam?
180.
Good. So all of you are okay. Like examiner says any number between 100 and 200 gram is okay. So I will go with 150 gram. Okay. What would the mass of a wooden meter rod? This is the one that you see in the lab. It is about 1 meter long and made up of wood. Do you think it is heavier than half-liter water bottle?
No.
Do you think two of them are
Plus,
heavier than?
No, sir.
Do you think three of them are heavier than water bottle?
No.
So four.
No, I think around 5 would be the same.
Okay, then it means you are guessing that meter rod is approximately 100 gram,
Yes, sir.
and it is not a bad guess. It is a very good one. So these are guesses of or estimations of masses, and we don't have to remember them. We have to just use the common sense. Like if somebody says a wooden rod is 2 kgs, it means he or she does not have an understanding of how much is a kg, or somebody says a wooden rod is 10 grams. So this also means that that person is not very much familiar with the sense of a gram. Now, estimating time. Now, mm, What is age of a person? By age, I mean lifespan. How many years a person lives?
65,
Uh,
70.
okay. Age, time to go from home to school, a physics lecture, at college, uh, time to wait on a signal, then time that an athlete takes to finish 100-meter Olympic race. Mm, number of heartbeats in one life for a person. Let's see if we can figure out these estimations. First one, age of a person in years.
70.
Okay,
85, 80,
okay.
85,
Well, give me one number. You cannot give me a range.
83,
Okay. Mariam, you're left.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure that what will be an average age of a person. What is the oldest person you have ever seen? How old was the oldest person you ever saw?
85.
So there you go. That is your number.
Okay, sir.
Let's make it 80 years
Yes.
to 175. Good. Time to go from home to school in minutes.
I have like 5 minutes.
20 minutes.
30 minutes.
20 minutes.
Oh, so all of you are right. Let's make it 20 minutes, because for different people, some people might live just across the school.
Yeah, I live across the school. I have 5 minutes.
Okay, so it's not a very good thing that parents can always visit whenever they want to.
Yes.
A physics lecture at college. How long a physics lecture lasts at your college?
45 minutes.
35 minutes.
Naba?
35 minutes.
35 minutes. That is a very short lecture. So, Ban, what do you think?
So 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Now, time to wait on a signal. How long do we wait on a signal?
2 minutes.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
A minute.
A minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, everything will be reasonable. But if somebody says half an hour,
That's too much time.
so that means that he's not estimating it right.
Yes.
Now, time that an athlete takes to finish a 100-meter Olympic race. So I'm not talking about a race that happens in school. I have seen races where nobody could actually finish 100-meter race. They were exhausted before completing 100-meter. So I'm not talking about that kind of race. I'm talking about serious professional racers racing in Olympic, and they are finishing a 100-meter race. So what will you guess? How long will they take to finish a 100-meter race?
50 minutes.
It is not 100
That's
kilometers.
too
It
much.
is 100 meters. It is like 25 to 30 big strides.
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Like 30,
Interesting.
30 seconds.
Okay, so you people have no idea about how long a race takes to complete 100, how long 100-meter race takes to happen. Okay, let's see how quickly you can put a step down, like how many steps you can put down in a second.
So 3 steps.
So if 1 second you take 3 steps and 100-meter race takes around 30 steps, then what your guess is for the time?
So 22 seconds or 20.
Listen, if 1 second, 3 steps, then 30 steps will take 10 seconds. Okay, this is the interesting fact about racing. In 10 seconds, almost all the racers complete the race. And the best time to complete 100-meter race is 9.1 seconds. So everybody finishes in split second difference. In 10 seconds, everybody finishes. And and very good time is 9.5 seconds. And the best time is, I think, 9.2 second or 1 second. So this is how close these races are. Number of heartbeats a man or person makes in his life. Okay, in the whole life, how many times a heart beats? So it is an indirect estimation. This is an example of indirect estimation. Heartbeats 75 times in 1 minute. How many minutes a person lives? A person lives for 80 years. Every year has 365 days. Every day has 24 hours. And every hour has 60 minutes. So these many minutes a person is supposed to live. In every minute, his heart is supposed to beat 75 times. So let's see how strong nature has made our heart and what it is designed for. So 80 into
I'm getting
365.
around 394 million.
Okay, that seems like right. I'm getting billions. $3 billion times. Did I multiply everything? 80, 365, 24 hours, 60 minutes, and 75 times in a minute. Yes, it is just over 3 billion times. Isn't that great? Something designed to work that long. So heart
Yes,
is
sir.
supposed to beat 3 billion times in one lifetime. So these kind of estimations are very important, and we have questions coming in theory questions, sometime in MCQs, where we have to estimate these things. Now, from Monday, we will be starting from the first chapter. Okay. So see you on Monday then.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. And make sure your fees are paid. You can check with the mega lecture management for the fee. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.